What do you need to do to be a profitable arbitrage trader? So stick to me to the end of this video, and I'll guide you on what to do so that arbitrage trading can work on your side. So arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform such as Binance and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. Actually, in a day, you can make, at least if it is bad, 30 USDTs profits with crypto arbitrage trading. So buying low means you go to your centralized platform, that is Binance. You'll come on P2P, just click on P2P, then you buy your assets. For example, you can buy 1 USDT at a rate of 129 Kenyan shillings. Then you go to your Ranquilly, you sell the same USDT at a rate of at least 140, 150, depends with your capital and how the market is. So that's how arbitrage trading works. And let's get a tutorial. Just an example. Just come to your browser, search ranquilly.com. Make sure you register and you verify your account. Verifying your arbitrage account means you verify your email and KYC right here. Then you deposit to your account. If you don't know how to deposit to Ranquilly, you can chat me and I'll show you. So also today we have an arbitrage challenge, so make sure you join. After that, you come and sell. So this is just a tutorial, and I'll explain how this works. So we'll use the first one, the first merchant, but it keeps on changing. So the first merchant, the minimum is, where is the minimum? 70 USDTs now, rate of 1.09. So you'll be selling your assets at a rate of 1.09. So if it is 100, you times by 100, you get a 9 USDT profit. This one is 2.34, the rate, and you can check the rating, 14.6K, which is 98.89 is verified. And you should also be checking on the escrow part where my finger is. If you see he has no escrow, then he is not verified. So let's try an example. You want to sell 100 USDTs. You see what you'll get. It is 137.16 USDTs. You will receive, that is the profit. You receive 237 right here, 237.16 USDTs. So depending with your capital, but the minimum of this guy is 280. But I just want to show that in arbitrage, your capital matters. So the more the capital, the more the profit. Let's see, if you sell 600 USDTs, you will get 833 as your profit, and the total will sum to 1,441 after you receive your funds from arbitrage trading. So arbitrage is profitable. If you have any question about arbitrage trading, make sure you comment and you ask that question, and I will guide you. Actually, today we'll have a live. Yesterday we had the first live. We are just trying to test things. It won't be a long live, just trying to test things. Then we set an office, then we start live trading. So I've ordered the equipment. They will be here in due time. So it is a big package, not from Kenya, but if they arrive, we'll start our live trading now. I just want to get things in the truck, and we start trading. So make sure you don't miss any arbitrage tutorial. Let's start trading now. The site is ranquilly.com. Make sure you have an account too.